Hello friends, I am Rushraj and today we are going to discuss about some important concepts or concepts and points about exception handling. Uh, we discussed in previous videos what mean by exception, how to basically how to handle that exception, what when exception will be born and when exception will be the end means dead means it's end of the exception journey. Now let's discuss exception is also categorized according to its occurrence probability. It is categorized into the two parts. First is checked exception and second is the unchecked exception. What is the different let's see details about this both and let's understand difference between them. Okay, next, in checked exception, the maximum probability of occurrence of exception is that exception is known as checked exception. How how we can say maximum probability of exception? The checked exceptions are fixed, which is decided by Java. In that lot of exceptions are there, checked exceptions, and how we decide it is checked or unchecked. The exceptions means some commands which is depends on the computer's processor. We do not know processor's response. Processor will respond according to his own situation, and we do not know his processor's situation. That's why the exception, there are maybe little bit chances to rise exception. That's why these commands which is dependable on the computer processors, that commands are categorized into the checked exception. In that, thread dot sleep, this command is used to give delay to the thread, and after that delay you can run as you will. For this exception, Java will ask to computer processor, please give your thread to delay, because all threads are coming from the computer processors, and this because of this checked exceptions are high probability into Java to rise a exception. That's why Java developer made a decision, all checked exception must be mentioned with the exception handling process. Means we can use try catch or any else. Okay, why we have to must be we have to must be it's mandatory to use exception handling blocks in checked exception because it has chances to rise an exception. That's only reason. Next, how do if we do not want to use try catch block means exception handling blocks or methods, then how do we run program like as it is? That time you can use throws exception command or keywords at a method declaration type. Let's static void method name arguments. This is a method, we declare method. After that we have to write throws exception. Because of this we already tell to the JVM, it has the chances to to rise exception. That's why we are telling ourselves to JVM. That's why JVM allows us to uh, to compile it. Throws exception, its only purpose is convert checked exception into the unchecked exception only. That's all about throws exception. And unchecked and main difference of checked and unchecked exceptions are, checked exceptions are, first of all checked exceptions are will JVM stop the compiling process while compiling. In checked exception, it will raise issue, you have to use exception handling blocks and and go exception rise at the runtime process. And in unchecked exception program will your compile normally, and then after compiling at the runtime process, exception will be the exception will rise. That's the only difference between checked exception and unchecked exception. Thank you.